If I keep crying, it won't lead to anything. I need to leave this place and find Sabrina. I need to be strong. This can help me a lot. It's going to be a long, long day. Stay away from me! I think I can learn to use this. I'm already wasting a lot of time. I need to hurry. I don't have time to waste. This key should get me out of here. I hate sewers. A crank. It must be from that door. This one looks a lot like a human. At least there isn't a terrible smell here. A way out, finally. A mutant butcher? Why am I not so nervous? I'm getting used to dealing with this world. What is that? Another industrial area. At least it's better than walking through the sewer. The door is blocked from the other side.
What a surprise. Feel free.
I'm from the press. It would be great to do an interview with you, but we're resting because tomorrow is going to be a long day.
Hello, pretty girl. We are an elite squad and we are on a mission. We can't help much, but you can collect some supplies if you need.
A girl so young shouldn't be walking around alone.
This is not the way. It's very dark. Explosive insects? I'm seeing everything. I'm very exposed on an open path. I need to find a shortcut. I turned this on. Let's go. Wow, what a huge place. I just need to jump between spaces. Nothing more. If I fall, it won't be cool. Not long now. Concentration. That's it. Very good. This is the most beautiful place I've seen in a long time. A werewolf? Seriously? Even that exists now? I love that. What? I need to go quickly. Back to school. I see blood marks. Sad. Even huge trees grow here. The door is stuck. There is no water here. That's clean, but I'm not going to touch that. There are many of these strange humanoids. Does not work. Does not work too. There is no water here, either. Does not open. The toilet looks in great condition. I pass. This is for boys' use. The computer room, probably nothing works. Well, that's unlocked. Does not work too. I loved pianos. The door is stuck. Wow, that's got some firepower. And these? They look like vampires. Spiders. Looks like the other spider, but with a human head. Wow, that's disgusting. I can't wash my hands here. I need 3 boxes. I managed to find all the boxes. What happened to him? Please, can you help us? My boyfriend was injured. He needs a medical kit urgently. I'll see what I can do for you. Thank you. We will be waiting for you here.
You have to help me, please.
You should find some medical kit in this small town. Thank you very much for helping us. It was an honor.
If we meet again, we can buy you a beer.
Okay, I accept. All the best to you on your trip. Wow, pretty colors. A pickaxe. Beautiful red ores. This is a horror. I managed to free myself from the witch's possession with Sabrina's help, but I'm facing so many other horrors in just one night. This place is a maze. Wow, is that muscular mutant that appeared to us? Or is it another of the same species? Leave me alone. A farm region. At least it's better than claustrophobic places. Ugh, the most horrific again. Does not open. I better not climb on that. Oh no, what's going on? The swamp must be right here. Where is the exit from this place?
It's Sabrina. I can't believe it.
Finally, what a complicated day.
I missed you so much.
Me too. Don't run away like that again.
Sorry, I won't do it again.
The pumps are out of fuel. A car battery. It looks new. This is on. Did anyone leave it like that? As I said before, it's better to use firearms. Just paint cans. They are of no use to me. An open can. There's plenty of fuel here. Now we can go. We're going to have to face it. Wow, we did it.